What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to create a fresh sales account in your desktop. For that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Just open up your browser, hit the link in the description and you will be redirected to this page. So over here there are multiple options. For example, you can see that we can log in, we can try it for free, we can use the demo, or there are multiple options. But as we're going to start with a basic account without having to pay the subscription, we're just going to go ahead and try it for free. You can also click on get a demo and the team will contact you. So either you can fill up this whole form, first name, last name, work email, company name, continue with email, and then either you can continue with the Google. And that is what I'm going to follow. So I'll just go ahead and click on the email that I'm going to use. And once I've done that, all I have to do is to go and agree with it. And then I'll be redirected to the next page. So here I just have to provide the company, let's say, and provide any, for example, random number, and then click on all the boxes. So if you want to, agree to receive personalized marketing communication from the Freshworks, you can opt out at any time, but make sure that you uncheck this because I don't want it to be at, I don't want them to send me the emails. Just go ahead and continue with the email. I have selected the data center location for the United States, and then I'm into the CRM. So this is how you guys can do it as well. And all you have to do after this is to provide the industry. For example, I'm going to go ahead with the computer softwares, then click on the next tab. You will be redirected to the next tab. So if you have anything else that you need to provide, you can go into the personalized option and add it over here. Otherwise, we got into the CRM, and that is how you guys can do it as well. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.